Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my world. Okay, so we're doing a little get ready with me. This is gonna be part 1 of 3 get ready with me's because I'm preparing myself to do my makeup for Comic-Con, and so this is gonna be my first test run and the one that's going up on YouTube, obviously because you're watching the video. But yeah, so I already did my hair, laid the lace. Honestly, it looks good on camera right now. From what I'm seeing in this camera lens, it looks good. It took me a hot minute to get this lace down, but it doesn't really matter. I'm putting a hat on anyway. So let's get into the face, and then we'll get into the fit. So I did buy some new products, but this is not one of them. I did start using this e.l.f. Pro Grip Primer. Love it. I already have moisturizer on my face, so I'm just gonna prime. I'm looking for like a soft, glowy look for this cosplay because Fiona's just a little happy, little go-lucky type character. So we're going for a lot of blush. We're gonna be doing bleach brows because she's blonde. But yeah, I already did a test run with that, with the blonde brows, because I've never really done that before. I've never gone out in blonde brows. So let's get into it. Honestly, should I do my brows first? No, I'm gonna do my brows last because I usually do my brows first when I glue them down, but because I'm putting concealer in my eyebrows, the concealer and the gel just don't mix well, so we're just gonna do that after. So let's go in with the concealer. I want to let you know right now, I use a lot of e.l.f. products, so if e.l.f. you want to like sponsor me, let me know. I would not be opposed. Okay, so this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. I love this one, honestly. I think I've been using it for like the past 4 or 5 months. It's inexpensive and it works flawlessly. Because sometimes I'll just wear concealer and blush and it looks good. So I'm just gonna do these under eyes and pray that it looks good. Okay, it's a little scary, but trust the process. Don't get scared. Okay, so I don't like to immediately just go in and start like blending it out because sometimes if it's too like liquidy, it just like smears. So I like for it to dry a little bit. Let me turn this fan on because it's hot in here. I got this jacket on because I got my blue shirt underneath. When I was putting the wig on, I got glue on this shirt, so I just switched it around, but that's none of your business. Whew, thank you. Okay, so let's start blending this in. Comic-Con is exactly 9 days from now, and I still haven't made the sword for this cosplay, so fingers crossed it gets done by then. If it's not, I don't care. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the foundation. Also e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and I always get compliments about my foundation because they're like, it looks like skin and your skin is like so glowy. It's literally so good, and I don't use a whole lot. I literally, like, when I take it out of the thing, I try not to use too much because like you don't need that much. Taking the same brush that I used for my concealer, and I'm just gonna go in. So after that, I'm gonna contour my nose, so let me break out my palette. I use eyeshadow to contour. Fight me if you want to. I use this palette for everything, for my eyebrows, for my contour, and for my blush. Fight me. Juvias Place, I love you and I appreciate you. This is the Warrior 2 palette by Juvias Place. I use the color, don't worry about it, because I can't even. Okay, my alarm interrupted me. But anyways, I was contouring my nose, so let's get back to that. Just a little circle, and it really doesn't matter if it looks harsh right now because when I do the the pressed powder, the setting powder, is gonna blend in, so it doesn't matter. And then I just kind of go up. I like my nose to look skinny, snatched. And then I'm gonna go in with this contour for the eyebrows anyway, so bear with me. It's gonna look a little brown, you know? In the future, I'll do an updated makeup tutorial because I haven't posted one on here yet, but people always ask me like, what do you use? And I'll do that eventually, you know? Okay, so now let's go in with our Juvias Place setting powder. Ooh, I need to shake it. I use it so much. This is the first one I've had. I love it, and this is my only one that I've ever owned. And I've had it, I think, for like the past year. So like, honestly, this is really good. I don't wear makeup all the time, but when I do, I wear it, honey, you know? Use the one on the cap first, because you don't want to waste products. And then I just use the top to like buff it out so it's not so much product on the powder puff, you know? And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna stack this nose. Yeah. And bring it down. And then I don't know, like how you do, like where you place your highlight, I do it on my nose with the powder too. Cause it just, I don't know, it makes it pop. And then I put some on my forehead, on my lip, cause it be a little glossy sometimes. And then I'm just gonna do my cheekbones and stuff. I already did my lashes this morning. I did them kind of fast, but like they eat, and I just got new lashes from Ulta. So I'm excited and I'm happy that they look cute. They're Minks. I'm gonna go in with two blushes. I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow because I told you I use this for blush, and then I'm gonna go in with my Pixie on the Glow blush because I love that one and it's like glossy, you know? Very blushy. And then we're going to, so I'm gonna just take my concealer and I'm gonna put a little bit of it on here, and then not too much because I had put too much one day and it was but anyway, I'm gonna just put a little bit like real lightly on my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna brush it too with my little eyebrow brush. Yeah, I put a little bit too much on the side. Ooh, look at how, it's kind of scary. Okay, and now I'm gonna give my eyebrows some definition. Let's line my lips because why not? Like I said, we're going for like a pinky look, so we're doing pink lip gloss. I just got these lip liners. This is NYX. It's called Currant, not Current, but Currant. So yeah, it's like a reddish purple shade. And then I'm gonna go over with this Drip Glass Glaze by Morphe. Okay, cute. My favorite highlight. It's actually blush, but I use it as highlight because it's glittery. I think I ate that. Okay, setting spray, and then we're out of here. So I just bought the Urban Decay All Nighter because I was like, I felt like under the light, if I use this one, which I do love, the Milani Make It Last Original Spray, but I feel like under the light, I look super sweaty, and I wanted a more matte look. Whoa, 2 tops? Love that. Definitely gonna lose one of them. Hopefully it's a small one. So I guess this is gonna be my look for day 1 of Comic-Con. I'm not too sure at this point if I'm gonna post these before or sometime after Comic-Con, but if you see it, you know, subscribe, all that, so you can see the vlog Comic-Con, because it's gonna be fun. Going on 3 days, so kind of looking forward to it. So yeah.